Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Place 2 to 12 eggs on the rack, so they aren't touching the water. Secure the lid and set lever to sealing. Set to manual, high pressure, and set timer for desired doneness. 5 minutes for soft-boiled, 6 to 8 minutes for medium-boiled, 9 to 10 minutes for hard-boiled. 0.19 March 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Eggs do explode sometimes when cooked at high pressure over 5 minutes. And the egg yolk can overcook too, as evinced by the notorious green rim on the yolk. Still perfectly useful for salads and stuff, but not the preferred result. 0.18 April 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
The tan color is from overcooking the eggs. Egg whites have about 1% simple sugars attached to the protein. When eggs are cooked at too high of temperature, a browning reaction occurs, known as Maillard browning. It's rarely seen in hard-cooked eggs but can happen. 0.24 March 2011.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Place 1 cup of cold water in the inner pot of Instant Pot for a 6-quart Instant Pot and 1.5 cups cold water for an 8-quart Instant Pot. Add an egg or steam rack and carefully set as many eggs as desired on or in the rack. 0.28 August 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
We use the 5-5-5 method for cooking eggs in the Instant Pot. What is the 5-5-5 method? 5 minutes high pressure, 5 minutes natural release, 5 minutes ice cold water. Place a trivet, basket or egg rack in the bottom of the Instant Pot liner. 0.15 February 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.